What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video, another vlog. If you're new here, my name is Dee. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Welcome back to Vlogmas day 6. Y'all, we get down there, like literally. So yeah, I'm actually right now downstairs because I'm gonna let y'all know right now, this is going to be a homebody vlog because your girl has shopped, your girl has had a self birthday dinner. That was yesterday's vlog. So right now I'm editing. Actually, Vlogmas day 4 is going live today. I'm about to go ahead and do Vlogmas day 5. So I've been ahead of my game, y'all. I have. So because I know last year when I did Vlogmas, it was kind of like, it was an experience. It really was. I'm watching Peyton right now, but I'm about to get these 2 vlogs edited, and then from there I'm going to be going, I gotta go upstairs and get the closet together, the room together, the clothes together. So yeah, let me stop chatting and stop complaining and get some things done. So if you don't mind, you guys, hit that red button, turn your notification bell on every time I post a video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. I be telling y'all, a lot of hard work be going into this. I be telling y'all. But regardless, if you can drop a comment below and say, hey girl, hey, or I like this about the video, it really helps, okay? So let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so I took a little break. Actually, it's later on, because me editing the videos, I got ahead, but I don't know why it took me so long. Anyways, I'm still watching. When I first started the vlog, I put it on Netflix, Texas Killings. So I've been watching this, y'all. So I got me some Chipotle. Y'all need to watch this. Really good. I like docu-series stuff and all this stuff.
Tim is very tenacious. He won't give up and he doesn't like to lose. He's good.
Tim Miller is one of the loudest voices for these victims. He keeps asking for someone to be held accountable.
So, once I start getting this room together, because it's a lot, though. I'm gonna pick y'all back up. I just wanted to check in. So I'm sorry if this vlog is boring, but Like I said, it's gonna be a homebody vlog, so what do you expect? Okay, y'all, so as you can see in the previous clips, child, I got that room together. I took the clothes out the basket, put that up. I even folded some clothes up downstairs, put them up. But I was really into that Netflix series. It's called Texas Killing. Y'all should watch that. Finally finished that. My Chipotle, it was bomb. And then I had to vacuum the room, put all my stuff up. It was just a lot. And so I did shower, and I used that Estee Lauder lotion that I got from the previous Vlogmas, Vlogmas day 4 or 5, one of the two, child. the lotion and the under eye cream. So I did use that tonight. Tonight was my first night. And then I lathered myself up, y'all. I even got one of my candles right here going. I got my candles going, and yes, I got my Lysol right here. Cause y'all, you keep Lysol at your door. I don't know about y'all, but I keep Lysol at my door. Kill the germs. So what else I did? And that was it, y'all. So I'm sorry if this vlog has been boring, but like I said, I wanted to do an at-home body vlog. And yeah, y'all, it feels so good to lotion yourself up real good. Like, I love to lather myself up like good. That's just how I operate. So I wanted to pick up the camera, close out the vlog. And if y'all like this homebody vlog, I'm pretty sure everybody do it. When you be cooking and cleaning and putting stuff up and sweeping and all that, let me know. Drop your comments below. And you guys, that pretty much sums up today, Vlogmas day 6. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, comment below, say, you know, hey girl, hey, or something pertaining to the vlog or anything. And I will see you in the next video, next vlog. And I will see y'all tomorrow's vlog. So bye.